Hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hold on. Alright, yes, as I was saying, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha, and I am a performer. I'm an artist. I am well known as a dancer and choreographer. I am getting into acting and other things. So I want to share with you guys some clips on the video shoot we just did recently. I've actually deleted a lot of things from that day, but I hope that you enjoy what we ended up doing. It's nothing perfect, yes, but I just wanted to post it on my YouTube. For a lot of people, social media is our biggest memory card. Like, I had the privilege and honor to work with some of my favorite dancers. I mean, maybe they don't know it, but they are some of my favorite dancers in Botswana, in the city, let me say, because Botswana is a very big country, and I may not be fully aware of all the talent that's out there. But let me say, in the city, they are one of my favorite dancers. And I am talking about Bigshot. I'm talking about Daiker. I'm talking about Lalah. I'm talking about Bellindah. I actually just recently met Bellindah, and I was just immediately like just blown away. It's just like, oh, she's so amazing. So yeah, there are like other dancers that I would have liked to have on this, but it wasn't possible, and I believe that next time we will work on something together, because I mean, all this talent, man, it's got to be used, so yeah. And I also recently met Dean as well. I actually met him at Louisa's dance class. Yeah, Dance It Out. I saw him the same time I saw Bellindah, but I talked to Dean first, or Dean talked to me first, because I didn't know him, so he knew me, so he talked to me. So I was like, oh, he's actually pretty cool, and I like his enthusiasm, and also like the things that he wants to achieve and do. I would very much like to be of help anyhow I can. So he's also like one of the people that I recently met that I have taken a liking to as to what they do, or what they wanna do or achieve. So yeah. And okay, I guess I have to talk about all of them now. Okay, and then Bigshot. I don't know. Where did I meet Bigshot? I don't know. He might know like a little bit, but I think it's just one of those things where he's been wanting to work with me, and like, okay, I do get like some dancers reaching out to me wanting to work with me, and at that time I don't really like I'll be like, okay, yeah, let's do this, but also like we will see when it happens, or it's actually happening, and then it'll be like it's happening. So I think with Bigshot, it was probably one of those things where he's been wanting to work with me, and it was just a matter of time. And we have actually worked together before this video, but not as much as we would like to. And then with Lalah, hi bro, Lalah. Lalah, where did we meet? I think I met Lalah due to association with other dancers. That's what I think. Lalah. But yeah, and then I just saw myself and her within the same spaces. Yeah, she's pretty amazing, and I specifically asked her as well because I know she makes sure, bro. She makes sure. And also the videographer who shot this, his name is Dumisang, aka Daiker, and it was the first time he was shooting this video for us. That wasn't anything that's meant to be professional. It was just for fun, because even we are aware that his shadow shows, but it's really not a big deal, because at the end of the day we want the craft to show. Well, it's not his issue, because I mean, if the sun is there and we also want to face there and he has to be that side, obviously his shadow's gonna show. So I would like for people to just not say his shadow's messing up the video, because it's really not. It's just disturbing you. So please, if in future, if someone has nothing positive to say, please don't say anything. It's just yes. But anyway, please enjoy the video, and yeah.
Video. Hey, simulate. Triple time.
Oh, and also, we met this man who was selling cold times, Conmain Mall. I mean, I didn't buy from him because I'm Lalah, so I can't have cold things, but I would have liked to. So hence why I'm putting this video in. I'm just it's a way of supporting. Yeah, and also I will put up his number. Oh, I'll ask him. I'll put up his number if it'll do me wrong. But yeah, basically that's him.
It's even recommended by the doctor. I'm going to suck it. Even when we are at home sitting in a sofa watching television, sucking cool time, you'll be interested watching movies. It's going to cool your body, your lungs, and going to relax your mind. Even when you are short-tempered and then you suck it, you cool down when you are angry and then you communicate with others. It's even recommended by the doctor from China, Dr. Jong Hong Tong.
Miano man, hey. Henga discussa ma piano man, hey. Henga discussa ma Miano man, hey. Henga discussa ma piano man, hey.
Hey, hey, to win a wong and a shot. Syffer back to scoop a shot. Hey, me na sing fag a cold cold. I'm a solid free, I'm a soldier. Is it just a car? That's a cocoa. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Back over to it. Hey, to win a wong and a shot. Syffer back to scoop a shot. Hey, me na sing fag a cold cold. I'm a solid free, I'm a soldier. Is it just a car? That's a cocoa. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Yekela Maan. Back over to it.